Hello, Tale Tribe. What else could it be better than tuning into interesting tales with your lad to help them learn more about the world and the right conduct in their formative stages of life? Hey, you found the right tune. Welcome to the potpourri of short tales for little champs gain their best moral values to shape their personality. An old man with his 3 sons lived in a village located in the vicinity of a desert. He had 17 camels, which were his main source of income. He rented out the camels as a means of shipping in the desert. Days rolled on, and the old man passed away. He left a will for his 3 sons on sharing his assets. After finishing the rituals, the 3 sons read the will and learned that their father had divided all the property into 3 equal parts, except the 17 camels, which were shared in a different way, as 17 is an odd number. The old man stated in the will that the eldest son will own half of the 17 camels, the middle one will get 1/3 of the 17 camels, and the youngest one will get his share of camels as 1/9. All of them were confused and questioned each other how to divide the 17 camels. They found it impossible to share as mentioned in the will. The 3 sons spent several days thinking of the ways to divide the camels, but none of them could find a way. Finally, they took the issue to the wise man in their village. The wise man heard the problem and instantly found a solution. He asked them to bring all the camels. The 3 sons brought the 17 camels to the wise man's place. They wondered what would happen. The wise man added one of his camels and made 18 camels altogether. Now, as per the will, the wise man told the elder son that he gets half of them, which counts to 9 camels. The wise man then told the second son that he is assigned with 1/3 of the total, which comes to 6 camels. The wise man also informed the younger son that he can share 1/9 of all, which is 2 camels. At last, there were 9 camels for the elder son, 6 camels for the middle son, and 2 camels for the last son, which counted to 17 camels. Now the 1 camel added by the wise man was taken back by him. The wise man solved the problem smartly with his intelligence, which helped the 3 sons to share the camels in the different way mentioned in the will. Dear tribe, thank you so much for believing us. Stay tuned for the incredible content coming on the way. Empower us to spread the good vibes too. Give a go ahead if you sense the good fit for your little champs. Do assist us with your thoughts and experiences in the comment block. Above all, make sure to meditate for being mindful and take care of yourself the right way. Catch you soon.